an update. We've got to haul this away today. Remove the kitchen walls. We've kind of started insulate all of this, put the vapor barrier up, so this will look like that. We've got a frame in this doorway, so we're gonna close it up. Same with that wall. Remove all of that, insulate, vapor barrier. This is the guest bedroom. I've got to clean that out in there, the closet. Been cleaning all day. The living room. Drywall guy comes on Wednesday. Master bedroom. We've got to go through and cut all that excess spray foam off. The master bathroom. The dining room. Guest bathroom. Laundry room. Dehumidifier. Making progress.